Hey guys, let's see today how to fix Shazam app not working on your iPhone on iOS 17, because nowadays iOS 17 running on most of the iPhones, because in some iPhones this Shazam app is not working with iOS 17. So let's see what is the workaround to fix this issue. Yeah, so the first step is just go for force restart. So you can just see over here volume up and volume down button, and you can just see that here that the side button. So what you have to do, just press the volume up button, press the volume down button, and immediately you just press the side button. So now just press until that screen goes black. Wait for, because Apple logos appear on that screen. Just wait for some time. Yeah, now just try to open, and now just go and try to open the Shazam app. If this time also it not work, then we have to go for another workaround, and this time we just go to settings, and now just try to find accessibility, and you can see here, just tap on it. Yeah, and just try to find display and text size, just tap on it. And now if it is in your case, if in your case bold text is turned on, just go for tap to turn off, guys, because bold text, if it is turned on, it will impacting in some cases, so better to go turn off. And now just go and try to check. Now this time hopefully go and just try this time, hopefully Shazam app will work on your iPhone. So guys, if still it is not working, then the last step you have to do, just go to settings, and now just try to find general, and now you can just come to the software update, and guys just go and just check that one, because in my case is the latest iOS 17 1.11 is installed. So in your case, if you are getting any latest software available, just go for install and update, guys. So after that it will work. So thanks for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.